What's up? Welcome back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be powder coating Illusion Purple. We're going to be powder coating my nephew Austin's intake and his fuel rails, and we're going to be putting the 710 Performance logo on them in silver. We're going to see how well that works out. Remember, if you want or are interested in any of the products that we use or the high temp tape that we use, there are links down in the description. Those are Amazon links, so if you click on them and you buy anything, it does help the channel out, and we greatly appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up to help us with the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get into the video. What's up? So we are getting ready to go ahead and powder coat this intake. We're starting off with a platinum silver. It's only going to be in the spots where we're going to have the logo, because we are putting the 710 Performance logo on this intake. Then we're going to go ahead and put the 710 Performance logo on there and then lay down Illusion Purple, and then we're going to put our special clear coat with Clear Vision with flake on it over it. Now, before some of you get in a fit, this air intake, before it was stripped, was completely covered inside, outside, all the holes everywhere with powder coat. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. So there are the screw holes that are going to go ahead and be plugged so we don't mess up the threads there. But everything else, inside, all that is going to go ahead and go Illusion Purple. We're also doing the fuel rails. We already laid down the platinum silver on it. They're just waiting to get the Illusion Purple and then the clear coat. So let's go ahead and jump to it.